everybody, good morning, good morning. Morning, boys and girls.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. There we go. There we go. Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Hello, hello, hello! Merry Christmas, everybody! Louder! Louder!
Over the hills we go, laughing all the way.
Ho, ho!
Bells on bobsleighs ring.
Right, I'm John, I'm the helicopter pilot for Multiflight over at Leeds Bradford. We've just popped up to the North Pole actually to pick up Santa. It's a fair way in a helicopter, needs a couple of refuel slots, but we got him. Anyway, we're here now in Yorkshire and it's, I must say, colder down here than it probably is in the North Pole at the moment. We just brought Santa down and his helpers and a load of presents for the children just this side of Christmas.
What's this?
Okay, have a present.
Oh, was it from me?
That's for you.
Thank you, Santa.
Alright,
Thank you for being a good elf.
for being a good elves. If the other elves, it's only
Present. Very special. Beautiful. Woo! Singing. I'm going to come and join you and sing in a minute, yeah?
So I'm Michael and I'm the nurse consultant here at Martin House. Lots and lots of excitement today due to Santa arriving by helicopter. For the last couple of years he hasn't been able to come by helicopter, so that's added to the excitement and the magic of what's going on here today. We've had children from a local nursery, from a couple of local schools who have all come to enjoy the festivities, so lots of carol singing, lots of music and things going on, and of course the main event, which is Santa, who's here.
Just say Merry Christmas again. Merry Christmas, Amy.
Merry Christmas. Fantastic. I'm so blessed to be here and can't wait to give out some presents.